How to create Pinterest business account for affiliate marketing. All that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from the Google search, come and type in Pinterest and then hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of Pinterest by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the official site of Pinterest where you can create an account. All that you have to do is simply scroll down, okay, over here where it says, are you a business, okay? Are you a business? In front of it, come and click on get started here. So when you click on it, it will bring you right here, and then over here you can create a free account. It is totally free. What I have to do is simply come and put in your email address, your password, then come and then set your date of birth, okay, and then come and click on create account. So let me put it in and click on create account. It will bring you right here to the business hoop, okay. And then over here you have to come and then describe your business. You can select any of these, okay. Just look through the one that fits your business, just select it. If none of them fit your business, simply come and then click on the other. And when you click on it over here, simply come and then click on the next. And then come and then put in your business name manually right here. Okay, so just put in the business name, the country, and then your website. Okay, so if you don't have a website, don't worry, simply come here to where it says I don't have a website, and then come and then check it. So when you check it, you don't have to put in any website, okay. Then simply come and then click on the next, and then over here you have to come and then select some things about your business. The first one is the business goals. Come and then look through the one that fits you, come and then select it, okay. So after selecting it, the next thing is to come here to the main focus of your brand. Just come and then look through the one that fits your business, come and then select it, okay. So after selecting it, simply come down here, and then over here they are going to ask you that do you intend to run an ad. So if you are sure, just select it. If you are not sure, come and then select you are not sure as well, and then come and then click on the done. So over here you have to come and then select any of these, okay. The first one is to create pins, and then the second one is to showcase your brand, okay. So I'm simply going to select the first one, that is to create pins, okay, and then simply come and then come and click on the next. So over here it will bring you right here to the create pin hoop. All that you have to do is just click on it, and you have all this, okay. So you have create content, and that is where you can create a pin. You have the manage campaigns, you can run an ad. We have the analyze performance, you can come and then see your audience insight, okay. So let's click on it for you to see, and this is going to give you much about the audience on Pinterest. Just come here, come and click on it, and then over here come and then click on your profile, okay, and then you are going to see your profile account. Come and then put the mouse on this icon and click on it, okay, and then over here come and then close it. So this is going to be your dashboard, okay. So you can do all this, you can add members, run an ad, everything, okay. And you can come and then click on the profile, and then you have to maintain a very strong presence, okay. You have to create a good profile by clicking on the okay. So over here, let's go back to the dashboard and come here and come and click on this, and you will see where you can log out, okay. So simply come and then click on the log out, and come and then log in again, indicating that we have created the account, right? So we put in the details and then click on the log in, and this is your account. We have successfully created it, but we have to customize it, okay. So over here, if you want to add the website again, you can come and then put it right here, and then come and then click on the submit, okay. So let's go back to the business hoop, okay. Make sure that you are within the business hoop, and then from here your account, come and click on the down arrow. So when you click on it, simply come here. You're going to see that we have the profile. Come and then click on the profile, and then come down here and then come and then select your account. So when you click on it, it will be selected, and then you will see your account name here, and then the followers, and also the about. Okay, so you have to create the bio or the about section, and then here is where you can add your cover image. Okay, I'm going to show you later as we go on, but first come here and then come and click on the edit profile, and then you can see that we are within the edit profile. So over here what you have to do is to simply come and then edit your profile, but everything that you put here will be visible for people, so be careful what you put here. So the first thing is the image. Come and click on the change, and then the profile, you can simply come and then click on choose photo and select your own personal picture if you want it as your profile pic. Okay, and then it is going to be displayed here. As you can see, I have changed my photo or the profile picture. So the next thing is to come here, the name, you can maintain it, and then here is the about section or the bio. Simply write something that is going to let people know exactly what you are about. Okay, your brand is about. So after writing something, simply come down here. We have the pronouns, that is the he or she, how people should call you if you are a he or she. So you can select up to two. Okay, so I'm simply going to select the he or she, okay, or the she or her. So after selecting the pronoun, that is the she or her, you can come and then put in your website right here. Okay, that is where you are going to drive the traffic to. So it is very important to put your website or the affiliate link right there. Okay, and then over here you are going to see your username. You can change it if you don't like the default one. Okay, and then you can come and then put in your email address here. Okay, that is what people is going to use to contact you. So it should be a business email address. And then do you have your country code? You can come and put it here. And then do your telephone number so that people can get in contact with you. Okay, so you can include your location as well. So the address 1 and then address 2. Then you can come and then select your city, province, postal code, and then the country. So where the business is located, you can select it and then come and click on the save. So that is it. We have successfully edited our profile. Let's go to the settings, and then let's go back to the business hoop. And from here, you can see that your account is here. Okay, so let's go back to the account again. Just come and then click on the profile, and then come here and then come and select your account. So as you can see, we have successfully created our account and then our bio as well. So what we have to do now is that we have to add a cover image by simply come and click on the plus icon, and then over here you can come and then add a cover image. Okay, by simply coming to click on the browse, and then you can come and select the image. Okay, so after selecting the image, it will be shown right here. You can crop it how you want it. Okay, how you want it to be shown, and then come and then click on the done. So over here, that is it. We have successfully added our cover image as well, and here is it. So like the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment down below, then see you in my next video.